Hi, my name is Alicia Foreman, and today we're going to talk about k-means in Orange data mining. We're going to look at some housing data today for our information that we've inserted. If we want to see the housing data, we'll click here on this table that we've already inserted. Some of the information we'll be looking at will be the crime rate. We can look at the age of the homes, the distance the homes are to like a work center or places of business so that we can go get groceries, etc. And the nitrogen oxide for the pollution will be in this column. There's a lot of information, so one way we're going to look at that more closely would be to use select columns. Instead of looking at all of the information, we're going to get rid of it. And let's look at just age and crime rate. K-means is running its information. Here it pulls out clusters depending on the silhouette scores. So we can see if we choose K-means from Data Orange, we can see that they think that 3 is the best number of clusters for this data set. And the data set we are using is just age and crime. We're going to look at that information through a plot, and we're going to use cluster for the colors. Here's the age of the home and the crime rate. It looks that the older the home, the higher the crime rate, and that's in the 3 different clusters. So the crime is way higher in the older home area. One thing I didn't mention was the housing information is by a tract. A tract is about 100 houses, so we're not looking at one house individually, but locations of housing sections. So that's kind of good to know. We can leave this up, I believe. Let me see. We can leave up the scatter plot, and we can still look at the selected columns. Not that one. Let's look at the k-means. We can change the fixed rates from 3 in the scatter plot and the k-means to 2 or more. This picks sections. It depends on what we're looking at as to what we want to see in the data information. But let's keep it small for now. 3 is just fine. 2 might work as well. We can see the older homes have more crime rate, and the younger the home is, the less crime there is currently. Each one of these is a silhouette, and that is how Orange decides what the information is for the k-means. So thank you for listening. That gives us a little bit of information on the scatter plots, using k-means to distribute a lot of data and a way to visualize it. There is one more thing I wanted to show you, and that would be this clustering, and it did it by 2. All right, thank you for listening, and we'll use the same data with the clustering column in our assignment 14 with the housing data, and we'll continue with 2 other data information tables. Thank you.